Here, today we are going to discuss some questions based on angle between two straight lines. Yes, by the previous videos we discussed on angle between two lines, how to find angle between two straight lines, and also and how to say without finding angle between two straight lines that given straight lines are parallel or perpendicular to each other. This type of question or this type of matter we have already discussed by the previous videos, and in this video I am going to discuss some questions based on angle between two straight lines. That is here. Here I have formulated a question. Find the equation of a straight line through 2, 3, which is parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. Means here are two straight lines. Here are two straight lines. That is 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0, and straight line L. This straight line L through 2, 3 is parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. According to this question, according to the statement given in the question, I have displayed the question diagrammatically. That in this diagram you can see here is a straight line 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0, another straight line L which is passing through point 2, 3 and is parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. And now here we have to find the equation of this straight line L. Here a straight line L through 2, 3. A straight line L through 2, 3 is parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. To find out equation of L, equation of a straight line L. Here slope of given straight line L equals minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that is minus 3 by 5. From question, in the question it is given here that L is parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. Since L and given a straight line 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 are parallel. So here slope of L equals slope of given a straight line, because we know when a straight lines are parallel their slopes are equal. Since L and 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0, it means that slope of L should be equal to slope of 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. Means here slope of L equals slope of given a straight line this. Here we have derived it minus 3 by 5. Means the slope of this straight line L, here its slope is minus 3 by 5. Its slope we have now m equals minus 3 by 5, and the point on the straight line L is here. Means now we have point and slope. Point on the straight line L and slope of L we have. Now we have slope of L and a point 2 3 on L, and we know that a straight line is point slope form. When the slope of a straight line and the point on the straight line are given, very easily we can apply point slope form to find the equation of a straight line. If we use here, now we have all the requirements for application of point slope form to find the equation of L. We have all the conditions, we have all the requirements, which are required for the use of that point slope form. That is a slope of a straight line L we have, that is m equals minus 3 by 5, and a point 2 3 on a straight line L, means a point on L and the slope of L. These two are given, therefore we can use their point slope form to find the equation of L. Now equation of L in point slope form. In point slope form is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1, or y minus, it is x1 y1, x1 y1, y1 that is 3, x1 no m, value of m is here, that is minus 3 by 5, and x minus 2, or 5y minus 15 equals minus 3x plus 6, or 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y minus 15 minus 6 equals 0. Therefore 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals 0. This is the required equation of L. Hence equation of L is 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals 0. Means in this way we can find the equation of a straight line. Means question like this we can find in this way. That is it. Find the equation of a straight line through 2 3 which is parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. This kind of question, means question like this, we can find following the process, and in other way also we can do. Means in alternative way also we can find the solution of these two. Means this question, that is here. Here now I am comparing the equation. Yes. Now we are going to compare the equation. Here you see, in alternative process also we need to have these all writings before to find out. Means up to find out what are written, those all we need in alternative way also. Here through the process we have got the equation of L, that is 3x plus 5y minus 21, and when we have given a statement that is 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. If we compare these two here, means 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 is parallel to 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals 0. Here now you study these two equations. What are differences between these two here? Here, according to our calculation, we have calculated that these two are parallel. And in these two parallel lines here you see 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y. Means in both the equation, whatever term containing x and y are same. In this equation, in equation number 1, if I write in equation 1, 2, then in equation 3x plus 5y are there. In the same way in equation 2, 3x plus 5y are there. Only here is difference in magnitude of constant. Means we can say if it is ax plus by plus c equals 0, then is it parallel to here up to here, means ax plus by, it is also here, plus k, means c and k are different as in this equation, in these two equations 7 and minus 20 are different, but the term containing x and y are same in both the equations. So here we can write that equation of x and y parallel to ax plus by plus c equals 0 is parallel is ax plus by plus k equals 0. Means using this pattern also we can do here. Here we know that equation of a straight line parallel to ax plus by plus c equals 0 is ax plus by plus k equals 0. So we can write that equation of a straight line parallel to given a straight line, that is 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 is, means these two should be same. 3x plus 5y instead of here is also k equals 0. Means equation of a straight line parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 is 3x plus 5y plus k equals 0. A straight line L. Since L passes through 2, 3. L passes through 2, 3. So 3 into 2 plus 5 into 3 plus k equals 0, or 6 plus 15 plus k equals 0. Therefore k equals minus 21. Therefore k equals minus 21. Hence equation of a straight line parallel to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 is 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals 0. Means in this way also we can find the equation of a straight line. A straight line parallel to the given straight line when the required line passes through the point. Means question like this can be done in this way. This is also the way. Okay, and you will do question like this from your book and other days. Now again I am going to convert the same question here. Instead of perpendicular, instead of parallel, I am writing here perpendicular. Is perpendicular to Smooth. Here. Diagram. Here. Here is 0.23, which is L. It is a 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. Yes, it is here. Then now, here perpendicular to, here perpendicular to, according to the question, but now we have other question. Question is here, find the equation of a straight line through 2, 3, which is perpendicular to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. Solution. According to the statement, I have drawn the figure, and here I have explained the figure. Here is the explanation of figure, that is a straight line L through 2, 3 is perpendicular to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. And equation of L we need. Then here, slope of given straight line, that is minus 3 by 5. Since L is perpendicular to, 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. So slope of L into slope of given straight line, should be equals to minus 1. Because from the condition of perpendicular lines, we know lines are perpendicular to each other if product of their slope is minus 1. And we have here two straight lines L and 3x plus 5y plus 7. And since these two are perpendicular to each other, therefore we can write from the condition of perpendicular line that slope of L into slope of given straight line should be minus 1. Now here, slope of L into slope of given straight line, that is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 equals minus 1. Slope of L equals, we can write here 5 by 3. Slope of L becomes here 5 by 3. Means now we have slope of L, that is M equals 5 by 3. And the point on L we have. Now here we have a point on L, that is M equals 5 by 3, and a point 2, 3 on L. Means again here we can use point slope form to find the equation of L. Now we have what do we have? M equals 5 by 3. Means slope of L we have, and point x1 y1, that is 2, 3. Equation of L in point slope form is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1, or y minus y1 is here 3, m is here 5 by 3, x minus 2 It gives us 3y minus 9 equals 5x minus 10, or 5x minus 10 equals 3y minus 9, or 5x minus 3y minus 10 plus 9 equals 0. Therefore, 5x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0. This is the equation of L. Hence, equation of L is 5x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0. This is the equation. This is the required equation of L. Now again we can compare the equation of given straight line and equation of L that we have found now. Then by the comparison we can have here other modality. That is, now I am going to compare these two equations. Do fast. Equation of, now I am not writing the solution of this question, I am writing another thing. Equation of a straight line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals 0 is interchange the coefficient of x and y. Then it becomes bx. And what sign is here between these two? If here is plus, you should write a minus. And k equals 0. If equation is, if straight line is based on ax plus by plus c equals 0, at the time we can write this bx minus ay plus k equals 0. Other is here. If here equation of a straight line perpendicular to if it is given here ax minus by plus c equals 0 is interchange the place of coefficients of x and y. At the place of a you write b, and at the place of b you write a. And what sign is here? Here is minus sign, therefore it should be made plus. Means bx plus ay plus k equals 0. Means these two patterns are also required, and using these two patterns we can find question like this very simply, very easily, without finding the slope. Without using point slope form also we can find the equation of a straight line. And now I am going to use this pattern. I am going to use this result to find the equation of this question. That is here. Now you see, I am rubbing this latter little statements. That is here alternative method. In alternative way, I am going to find the solution of this question. Now, find for alternative process, we don't need slope. No slope is required. Here, equation here is 3x plus 5y plus 7. It is on the pattern of ax plus by plus c. Means here we know that equation of a straight line perpendicular to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 is not there I have to write ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c equals 0 is bx minus ay plus k equals 0. So here, so equation of equation of a straight line L. Equation of a straight line we need L. We need the equation of a straight line L. Equation of a straight line L. Perpendicular to 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 is a 5x minus 3y plus k equals 0. Since here now equation of L is this. What is k? We are unknown, and our target is to disclose the value of k. What should be the value of k? That we should find it just following the process. That this point 2, 3 lies on L, and the equation of L we have here 5x minus 3y plus k equals 0. Just substituting this point 2, 3 in the equation 5x minus 3y plus k equals 0, we can easily find the value of k. Then substitution, making substitution, we can come to the result. Means that since L passes through 2, 3, so passes through 2, 3, so here we can write 5 into 2 minus 3 into 3 plus k equals 0, or 10 minus 9 plus k equals 0. And it gives us k plus 1 equals 0, therefore k equals minus 1. We have got the value of k. Now substituting the value of k in equation 1, we get 5x minus 3y. Value of k we have already got, that is minus 1, equals 0. This is the required equation. Hence equation of L is 5x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0. This is the answer. In this way, you can find the solution of question, and now you are assigned to study all examples before exercise, and you also search the solution of questions given in the exercise in your book. And if you have, then you will post your question, and I will try to discuss your question if possible. Okay, thank you.